Hey guys, so today, one of the things that when it comes to going to camping, that everything I've read up on, all the videos I've watched, everything said that when you have a tandem trailer this way, a simple block of wood or something's not going to really protect you on blacktop that much unless you use like a rubber chock that way. So I decided I wanted to go with the clamp style that goes between the tires. Now, I went to my local Walmart. They had the Camco brand. It's a plastic yellow wedge that has a screw between them and it comes down. Thing is, there's no way it would span that distance. So I decided to go with the jacking style. So I went with this one right here, a super heavy duty series. I'm not even sure what brand it is. I'll put a link to it in the video description. Picked it up over on Amazon. And let's take a quick look at them. Now, everything I read up on says they should be as good as the more expensive brands. Thing is, I'm going camping tomorrow, and this was the only set I could get before I left. So I'm really hoping they do the trick. Now, it looks like a jack you'd find in a car. That's what it looks like. It's got looks like powder coating on it. It's got handles so you can hold it. It's got this little T-nut thing there so you can bring them out to where you need a little bit faster. See, you put it right between the tires. Now the whole idea of this is it's going to put pressure between the two tires, keep them from rolling, but also keep the trailer from rocking, side to side and all that. You definitely want to do this before you put your automatic levelers or whatever you have that way underneath it. You definitely want to use that first. And it looks like if I wanted to use a drill, I could use a drill on it. But this one came with this cool little ratcheting wrench. It does have where you can flip it back and forth. You put pressure on it. I'm not sure how much pressure you're supposed to put on it, but I imagine a fair amount of pressure. I think that would be plenty right there because it is in place. A lot of clamping force right there. And you put one on this side, one on that side, and be all set. So I think that's going to work pretty good. It's a cool little set. Comes with two of them. I don't remember what I paid for them, or I want to say it was about 80 bucks. It might have been a little bit less than that. But that will definitely do the trick. Should work out good tomorrow when I go camping. Thank you for watching. Take care, and I'll catch you on the next one.